there is confusion that everyone, those who want to bring their spouse from overseas, they're concerned about the income requirement, which is increase 38,700 pound or less 29,000 or whatever it is. First question is this applicable now? Well, no. You still can sponsor your spouse if you earn 18,600 pound per year. If you have a child, then one child, it will be 22,400 pound. This is the current income requirement, and more likely until the new income requirement will come into force, the same requirement will continue. Now, what is the exact amount in future? Well, many of you just hearing this message that is going to be 38,000. First, it was 38,700 pounds. This was the first pledge in the Home Secretary proposal last month. However, that been later came that 29,000 pounds. Well, is not actually for long-term plan 29,000 pounds. The Home Secretary will by the way will go to that limit 38,700 pounds gradually. So what's the plan is from April, from the spring, more likely March or April, end of March or first beginning of the April, the income threshold for one spouse, just for spouse, will be 29,000 pounds. And then it will increase more likely end of 2024. It's not a specific time yet, which will be increased 34,500 pounds, and later it will the next extension, it will be more likely in early 2025, it will be 38,700 pounds. So you see, within a year, the income threshold will from 18,600 pound to it will reach 38,000 pound, 700 pound. So if anyone right now you want to sponsor your spouse or child or children, you should act now. Now, these income requirement, which is 38,700 pound or 18,600 pound, is not only increased to the salary, it also increase those rules which is for basically savings. So if you have a saving around 62,000 pound under the current income threshold, you can sponsor. So that's going to be up as well. That's going to be increased. Now the future threshold will be 88,000 pounds. So it's not only employment. If you have a planning to say if you want to sponsor your spouse or children on the based on your savings, that's going to be changed as well. So right now you have time. If you are working, if you have a plan to sponsor your spouse or your children, you can do it now. Now, you don't need to show that you are earning after marriage. If you are working right now, if you get married anytime until the new law come into force, you can sponsor based on your current income. Now, if you are working for the same employer, you can give 6-month pay slip, 6-month bank statement, a letter from employer regarding your employment. That is sufficient evidence of financial requirement. If you're working for if you're working for 2 employers within the last 6 months, say for example you left your previous job and last 4 months before you had started a new job, in that case you need 1 year pay slip bank statement. If you are self-employed, you need to provide your last income financial year tax return, your full financial bank statement, SSA 302-300 or SA600 corporate tax return. So all this evidence you need to provide. If you are a director of company, you need to provide all the dividend voucher, income, company tax return, your tax return, So a lot of requirements. So based on your circumstance, you need to prepare your evidence. Now, I hope you get some basic information. However, if you need any further information, if you need any assistance to sponsor your wife or children from overseas, please feel free to contact us. My name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm the principal solicitor of SWF Solicitor based in Milton Keynes. We have office in London too. Also, we provide a remote consultation anywhere in the UK. So if you need help, please feel free to contact us to our office. Our number appeared at the bottom of the screen. You can call to our office, make an appointment remotely if you don't live around this area, and we are able to assist you via video link. Thank you very much.